In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters in Google Analytics 4. If you find the video useful, be sure to like and subscribe. Let's get right into it. So to apply filters, it's very simple to do. First of all, you need to go ahead and select where you want to apply filters. In the case of this video, I'm going to go across to the left-hand side here, and I'm going to click on Reports. Now, once I've clicked on Reports, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to where it says Acquisition, and I'm going to go down to Traffic Acquisition. So here it's going to show me all of my different traffic acquisition sources. And what I can do here is at the top, I can go here and there's a button that says Add Filter. So I can go ahead and I can build the filter with up to 5 conditions. So I can select things like the member level, I can select demographics, general, city, page to screen, platform. All of these different things I can go ahead and select. Time, traffic source. I can select all these different filters here and I can do as many as I want to, up to 5. And I can go ahead and apply this on different things here. So I can look at user acquisition, I can apply these. I can do this on my engagement, my monetization, and my retention as well, and pretty much anything inside of Google Analytics. And you can see that it's very easy to go ahead and actually add the filters there across all of the different things inside of Google Analytics. And you can see there's a ton of customization you can actually do. But it's really as simple as that to go ahead and add filters to Google Analytics. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to go down below and like and subscribe. Comment down below that it helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.